So which moves? What if? What if? Moves azange akhule. What if nigga I'm the only option that you had bikuphandela iholidi? What if kulomculo zange ufunde? What if ibikusiqhatha uyikude? What if time I never died ngeba ndisacula kugcwala iphepha ngale pen? What if you are the great and awuyazi? What if you are the answer of your fam, not the answer G black? While you chance under the rap, there voices in my head, sitting pandelong bani, and it's time take charge. Uyofuna le mali, it's like it's the way your heart uyibona kanjani. What if heaven and hell in my brain manyani? What if bense ityaki nangoku meantime I down mpilo lithumbe lobofu? What if I never got that ID? What if I never stole that money? Moving like a bee, busy producing the honey. What if I was an engineer, I funny, cause they took me funny? What if nobody listened to my shit? What if I gotta get another shit? What if I never hopped on a show? Got mistake a see and born, I'm looking for a blow. What if my man in funny mali needs time I never had a wheel and now being so squealy? What if basleko sango hili God would you protect undazi in the morning? What if I never read the Bible? See me as a sign or you take as a disciple? What if lamanxeba wakapoli turn into a drunkard ebulawe yimbombi? What if ndachuzuroba nibesiskoli ndingamkela imeko ndikhethule eqoni noni? What if they never said I sell drugs? God, I'm still good, never had to victimize. God, I'm still cool, they never realized. Like I'm still woo when it comes to dropping eyes. Not a bad dude, I am just cutting ties and lies. Beef number fries. What if?